Hello there, I'm Barb Owen of HowToGetCreative.com and welcome to my studio. We are starting our season number 5 of classes on HowToGetCreative.com, and I just want to give you a sneak peek of one of the classes. This class is called How to Create a Canvas with Mixed Media Fabric. I wanted to get the title exactly right so you'd know what it was. We're going to start out with Mixed Media Fabric. And this mixed media fabric was created during one of the preseason classes so that everybody would be ready when it was time for the classes to roll out. But of course, this class is always available for members to be able to see. We've done a colorway that is in the cool tones, so you'll see different cool tone fabrics there, and also a set in the warm tones, and I'll be showing you in the class how to work with those, how to use them so that they work together in a cohesive way. And I suppose you're going to want to see where we're going. I'll show you one of the projects. We're actually doing a project in the class, and this is one of the other samples so that you can see it. And this is a mixed media from the mixed media fabric. Everything on here is fabric that has been created in class except for the black. That's a commercial fabric. And then this is created as a collage piece, and then I floated it over the canvas so you can hang it on the wall. Now, if you don't like doing things for the wall, if you're not into wall art, you could use the same technique for cards or journal covers, or whatever it is that you like to do. But it's a great technique. I think you're going to enjoy it. So if you are a member already of HowToGetCreative.com, you'll see up in the upper right hand corner, you'll see a card, or in the lower right, sorry, my uppers and my lowers. In the lower right hand corner, you'll see a icon or a window show up, and it will say go to your class right here. It'll take you right to the class if you're logged in. If you're not logged in, you will need to log into the website, and then it will just open right up for you. If you're not a member yet, just click the iCard in the upper right hand corner and come on over and take a look around. We would love to have you join us. Of course, you're always welcome at HowToGetCreative.com. I'm Barb Owen. I will see you again soon. Remember to stay creative, because it's easy, and I'll see you again next time.